This is Best from Best Review Warriors. Hello and welcome to my free funnels empire review. In this video, I'm going to walk you through this new training program. Before I do that, let me share with you some of my review bonuses. The bonuses I have for you are Social Media Boom, how to market on social media and gain followers, The Secret Weapon, The Commission Magnet, Traffic Machine, 25 proven traffic methods, how to 10x your commission, Instagram marketing secrets, Overnight Commission, $2,000 CPA traffic jacker, The Commission Bleach, The Commission Blueprint, $500 CPA every day, $1 Million Toolbox, Instant Traffic Jacker, and Affiliate Traffic Lab. Now, what is the free funnels empire all about? The free funnels empire is a series of step-by-step training videos that show you exactly how to create websites using 100% free tools without having to pay for domain name or for hosting. Essentially, this free funnels empire takes you through step by step how to create unlimited sales pages, unlimited funnels using free tools without having to pay a dime. The free funnels empire shows you how to create classic sales pages, how to create complete funnels, opt-in pages, membership sites, e-commerce sales pages, affiliate bonus pages, auto webinar pages, and download pages. And it also shows you how to set up payment systems to sell your own products all for free. In addition, the free funnel empire is completely newbie friendly. It provides you with detailed step-by-step how you can create your funnels without paying for domain name, without paying for hosting, and without spending a dime on any of the tools. The product creator Alexandro also goes further to show you various websites where you can get these free tools to create stunning landing pages that are sure to convert. In addition, one of the bonuses in the training program covers effective copywriting techniques that work. Essentially, the effective copywriting technique will help you in building sales pages that convert. Now let us head over to the members area. This is what the members area of Free Funnels Empire looks like. Like I told you, it is a series of step-by-step training videos that show you exactly how you will configure your funnels, your sales pages, your opt-in pages, and even create membership sites, all completely free. The steps you follow have been clearly enumerated in easy to understand manner in this video. I will not be showing you any further in this video, but I have gone through it and I found it very useful. It is useful both for newbies and for experienced affiliate online marketers looking forward to creating more lines of business but are not ready or willing to commit more on expensive softwares that create you funnel, because this training program has you completely covered. Like I said earlier, I've gone through the videos and I found them very rich and very useful. So if you are looking for how to create free funnels, this training program is for you. Simply click on the link in the description section below and head over to the sales page that will look exactly like this. Now this is what the sales page looks like. It says, forget about spending money on hosting, domain names, and costly funnel builders. This is so true because in this video, we are shown ways to create your free funnels, membership sites, your e-com funnels, your download pages, all completely free. The sales page also says, forget about monthly payments for everything like hosting, domain names, funnel builders, and more. These techniques are all free. I can tell you, the techniques taught in this course are all completely free. The tools are free. Setting up your domain name and hosting are completely free. In addition, you are also taught how to set up a payment system using your PayPal email address, your Stripe or Bitcoin addresses. And these tools are all completely free. Having gone through this review video and you believe this training is for you, simply click on this button here where you will buy the product for you to gain access to the training program. Let us review the sales funnel. The front end of the free funnels empire comes at an early bird discounted price of $17. In this front end, you will get the videos and trainings that I talked about earlier. Then you have the OTO 1. In the OTO 1, you will get access to a step-by-step training video on how to build membership sites with huge net, and this will go for $27. In the OTO 2, you get step-by-step training video on how to create finished products from trending research with lots of tips and tricks to make your product a success. And the OTO 3 is going for $97. Having gone through our review video and you find this free funnels empire suitable for you, simply click on the link in the description below and head over to the sales page to buy this product. If you have enjoyed this our review video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon and like this video so that when next upload review videos like this, you will be notified. Thank you for watching our review video to the end. See you in the next.